So my goal was to understand the methodology of Scrum, the framework, and specifically within that I wanted to understand what it means to be a Scrum Master, what sort of things you need to do, what sort of things you want to avoid and not fall into any pitfalls. I think it's been a great experience. One of the things that I didn't know what to expect was how fast or how slow the class was going to go and would it be useful. It's been a great use of my time, so I've really enjoyed it.
I've been involved in software for about 52 years now, and I've been training in Agile for about a decade, maybe a little longer than that. I think the main thing is that because I've been doing this for a long time, I have a lot of stories about how things work, how things don't work, so we can give examples to help people understand what's going on. And I really enjoy watching people light up when they get some aha moment, some new understanding.
I'm Vin Vasa. I'm a QA manager. I work for a storage company. I've been in QA industry for about 16 years now. Key thing that I liked about the class is the trainer's approach, especially in providing real-world examples to problems. And as well as the activities that that was performed as part of the course, which helped us to understand the core principles of Agile. We did estimation course this morning and it was great, and I was really thrilled at the way the estimation is done, because I've never done that before, and this is something which I'm going to take it back to the organization and try and implement it.
So I'm Payal and I work as a developer engineer and I work for Yahoo, and recently I have stepped up as a Scrum Master of the team. So basically you just let the team decide who wants to work on what, and based upon their confidence level. So that is something which came as a shock for me, but I think that makes complete sense, and that is something that I think I'm going to do going forward with my sprints and sprint planning. I really like the way Jeff delivered it to us, because it's all natural. You don't feel sleepy after listening to him. It's not just he's talking about the slides and all. He's always doing hands-on experiments, and I think that's the best way of learning. Always like all the positive feedback.